You might think a snake bite is just a deep scratch, but snake fangs are actually biological hypodermic needles. If you look inside a viper's fang, it is completely hollow, just like a syringe. It connects directly to a venom gland behind the eye, which acts like a loaded squeeze bottle. When the snake strikes, a powerful compressor muscle squeezes the gland, pumping the toxic liquid through the hollow fang. It shoots out of a tiny hole at the tip, injecting the venom deep into your bloodstream before you can even blink. If you saw a snake in your room, would you run or freeze? Tell me in the